They crossed, for the first time, a real wall of separation, met those who, every day, experience conflict, including military conflict. We are in Bethlehem, next to the Basilica of the Nativity, a new stop for the Global Lab Mediterranean Youth, Italians and Palestinians, special ambassador in the Holy Land of the creative self-discovery workshop promoted by Bocelli Foundation is Giovanni Caccamo. The Sicilian singer-songwriter, a pupil of Franco Battiato, is busy touring not only Italy with his Manifesto of Change, born from the contribution of thousands of young people.
Loving, and they talked about how to improve your personality and the experience of Giovanni. And it was really helpful to hear that from a person that is a songwriter, because I want to become a singer.
Living in a complex and difficult context does not help. However, young people keep, always in their hearts, a sprout, a hope for the future. Guiding the 21 young Italians in their discovery of the Holy Land was Friar Matteo Brena, a Florentine, who during the pandemic imagined, together with the Bocelli Foundation, a path that would help the young people face barriers and conflicts, both inner and outer.
It
was nice to go over the places of faith together, of the Christian faith in particular, but also of the Jewish and Islamic faiths, to learn how to approach these places with an attitude of curiosity, respect and openness.
I experienced so many emotions that are usually difficult to bring out. I was especially impressed by the visit to the Wailing Wall.
We crossed the desert, guided by a Bedouin. I realized the inner conflict I was experiencing. I didn't accept myself for who I was. It is moving to see how young people who have chosen to go on this path with us, started in January, come to live this experience as a real exam in which they can evaluate what they have matured and acquired. They can see, visualize, become aware of the change. The new offices on the premises of the Custody of the Holy Land in Jerusalem are the first step in a collaboration that, together with the Franciscan Magnificat Music Institute, will lead to the creation of a choir of young people from the three religions.